Unveiling the DSSM Tribute Concept, Future of Luxury on Wheels. DSSM Tribute concept may enter production with a Maserati V6. Stunning DSSM Tribute could enter production with Maserati V6. Citroen's luxury division, DS, crafted the arresting DSSM Tribute concept earlier this year and could build it in limited numbers using Maserati parts. The DSSM Tribute, revealed this fall, paid tribute to the classic Citroen DSSM and could reach production in limited quantities, as reported by Top Gear. The DSSM Tribute would utilize the platform and twin-turbo 3.0-liter V6 engine from the Maserati Gran Turismo. If production happens, expect a price close to $1 million and a run of fewer than 200 units. Built between 1970 and 1975, the Citroen DSSM is known for its sleek design and comfortable hydropneumatic suspension. However, beneath its quirky exterior was a Maserati platform and a V6 shared with the Italian brand's Marek sports car. This fall, DS, Citroen's luxury brand, unveiled an DSSM Tribute concept that seemed like a pipe dream, but according to Top Gear, the DSSM Tribute could actually go into production with a Maserati V6. It should come as no surprise that the exquisite DSSM Tribute would be produced in extremely small quantities. The DSSM Tribute would probably be limited to between 50 and 200 vehicles, with manufacture being handled by an independent coach builder, according to 3 Metros, head of design at DS, who raised the prospect of production. The Maserati Gran Turismo would serve as the model's basis, and the automobile already incorporates elements from the Maserati stable, including the Gran Turismo's windshield. The luxury sports car's Nettuno twin-turbo 3.0-liter V6 engine would provide power, most likely distributing it to all 4 wheels. There are 2 tuning options for the Nettuno in the Gran Turismo, 483 and 542 horsepower. For the DSSM Tribute, Metros responded to Top Gear's question regarding an electric drivetrain by saying, "When you're buying a €1 million car, you don't want an EV." Metros told Top Gear that as long as the plan can turn a profit, both DS CEO Olivier Francois and Stellantis CEO Carlos Tavares are in favor of it. Can DS find enough consumers for a premium coupe that costs almost $1 million? Since the DSSM Tribute is a distinctively French masterpiece and one of the most stunning ideas in recent memory, we really hope so.